The man who is having confidence, okay, gains others confidence. A man who is having confidence gains others confidence. Okay, gain your confidence. Don't lose your confidence. Okay, now we can go here. Spices and medicine items. Okay, the names of spices and medicine item in Hindi. Here we see the first one, kafoor. Okay, kafoor is camper. Okay, we use in pujas. Okay, we can use it in pujas. Then kalaunchi means nigila. Then kali mirch. Okay, we already know the lal mirch. Lal mirch means red chilli. Here kali mirch means black pepper. Okay, black pepper is used to prevent the cases of cough. Okay, while coughing we can use this black pepper. Then khaskhas is poppy seed. Okay, poppy seed used in the masalas items. Then chandan, you all know chandan is sandal. Okay, the perfume sandal is very nice. Then chirayata is chiraita. Okay, chiraita. Then joyful is nutmeg. Okay, joyful is nutmeg. Here see the next one, jeera, which is used in the preparation of foods like jeera rice. We all know the jeera rice. Okay, jeera, cumin seed. Then tulasi is basil. Okay, which is more important to take out the cold. Okay, take out the throat pain, cold, etc. Then talchini is cinnamon. The talchini is cinnamon. Then dhania is coriander seed. Okay, coriander seed. Then lavang is cloves. It is also used in the toothpaste. While we are having the dental problem, we are using this cloves. Lavang. Okay, lavang means cloves. Lokban. Okay, lokban means benzoin. Then hing is asafoetida. While we are having the gas problem, we can put little amount of this asafoetida in hot water to get rid in the gas problem. Then saunf. Okay, saunf means anise seed. Then zones mean dry ginger, which is called it as sukku. Okay, we can call it as sukku, dry ginger. Here kapoor. Okay, kapoor is camphor. Then kalaunchi is nigila. Then kali mirch. Okay, kali mirch is black pepper. Khaskhas, poppy seed. Okay, poppy seed used in the vegetable gurmas, etc. Then chandan, we all know sandal. Then chirayata is chiraita. Then joyful means nutmeg. Okay, nutmeg. Then here jeera is cumin seed. Okay, tulasi is basil. Then dalchini is cinnamon. Then dhania. Okay, this is the dhania seed here. Okay, we can see the dhania in the vegetables also, that is green in color. Okay, like that vegetable. Okay, greens like that. Here dhania is coriander seed. Okay, coriander seed. Then lavang is cloves. Then lokban is benzoin. Here hing is asafoetida. Then saunf is anise seed. Okay, saunf is anise seed. Then zont is drying ginger. Okay, we can know these spices and medicine item in Hindi. While going to the shops, we can ask them these names using the Hindi words. Okay.